Hello Virgo, welcome po sa inyong reading. So this is for July the 14th to July the 17th reading. So Virgo, para po sa mga bago, don't forget to click the subscribe button, smash the like button, comment below kung kayo po ay nakaka-resonate, and hit the notification bell. So kung gusto niyo po sumali sa ating live sessions, din po yan sa kabilang channel, that is Babaylan TV. Meron din po tayong mga readings doon. You might want to check on the readings sa Babaylan TV. So Virgo, I want you to know that this is a general reading. You may resonate with the entire reading or you may resonate with some bits and pieces of the reading. Take what's only yours. Ano po? So, Virgo. So parang wala namang bumibitaw sa relasyon ninyo, pero kahit na merong mga challenges, no? It kind of make me feel na hindi pa rin naman nababago itong feelings ninyo sa isa't isa, no? So the separations may be physical or energetic. Physical, the person might be nasa kabilang bahay, no? Kabilang kalye, no? Kabilang barangay, kabilang baryo, state, city, no? County, country, doesn't matter. Feeling ko ganun pa rin niya ngayon tinitreasure at mas lalo na, no? Ang hindi lang maganda dito is madami pa sanang explanations, madami pa sanang nasabi, no? Pero ang nakikita ko kasi dito parang someone already placed a pause, no? Na huwag mo nang sabihin. Ayoko na rin marinig, no? Hindi na siya mahalaga sa akin. And I feel like because of stopping the person, no, from explaining whether this is you or this is your person, no, or this is the cross watchers. What I am reading here is the dynamic though, no. So meron din ditong energetic separation. Ito nga baka naka-block, no, or ito nga baka kasi sabihin natin dyan na hindi rin pinagkakausap na talaga, no? Kahit hindi blinak. So, madami pa sanang kaklaruhin, no? Para maayos, no? Pero kasi parang yung isa sa sobrang galit, no? Or sa sobrang din siguro, dahil napuno na, no? Kasi sabihin natin dito, ilang beses na ba natin pinag-usapan, no? Ilang beses na rin yung mga explanations. Parang, wala, ganun pa din, no? With the Seven of Swords, the Four of Cups, the Strength card, the Three of Pentacles, and the Eight of Wands. So I feel like there's a betrayal of trust in here. Especially with the Seven of Swords. Seven of Swords is actually a card that represents, no, being sneaky. Now, Seven of Swords is a representation of also being in control, no? I also kind of feel na meron ditong mga siguro hindi natin na makontrol itong mga vision ni person. It might be also intoxication from sabihin natin na alak lang, sigarilyo lang, no? To the worst na meron siyang substance abuse or kind of exploring, no, itong recreational drugs. It could also be pambababae, pagsusugal, no, any kind of vices that you can think of. Vices may not only be sa mga ganon. Vices also is sabihin natin pagiging sobrang pagbili ng sapatos, no? Parts ng motor, ganyan. But I feel like there's something in here that they really focused onto those vices and parang sa'yo, nakaka-apekto na siya sa relasyon. That's the part na hindi na nagiging maganda, no? The betrayal of trust in here siguro, no, nagsisinungaling na siya, kumuha na ng pera for that vices, no? Um, I think that you already spoke with the person na pag-usapan na, no, with the Three of Pentacles, oo lang ng oo. I think you have done your part when it comes to the explanation, no? Kung pwede lang sigurong in-explain mo siya ng may PowerPoint, baka ginawa mo yan, no? But with the Four of Cups in here, para kasing the person comes back, ano, parang yung mga, sabihin natin, oo siya. Tapos, mga ilang araw lang, nando na naman siya, no? With the Two of Swords and the Ace of Wands. For a few numbers of you, chances are, ipinasok kayo sa isang third-party situation wherein, of course, who signed up for a third-party situation, no? Apart from being, siguro sabihin natin practice ng religion nila. But I don't want to tap on that. That's taboo, no? If that's tradition, if that's, I think that's legal for them and we have to honor that. But apart from that, stop na natin doon. Hanggang doon lang tayo. Who would sign, no? I think apart from the sinabi ko, no? Kung may agreement man, no? Yung tinatawag nating three pole, no? Meron na kasing three pole na tinatawag. They both agree na tatlo sila sa relationship. But that's another story. So, yung nandito tayo sa norm, no? Ayoko. Nandun pa tayo sa part na feeling mo may nangyayari na, no? Feeling mo na nabababuyan ka na sa sarili mo, no? Ayan. With the Four of Cups, the Ace of Pentacles, and the Four of Wands. So it kind of make me feel that there's really something in here. Well, probably this is also an LGBTQIA plus, no, relationship. What I am seeing in here is parang feeling mo wala siya sa sarili, no? Wala siya sa sarili, especially when it comes to spending. Parang lahat na lang napunta doon. And I feel like this is not reasonable anymore, no? Kaso, parang si person pa ba ang nagmatigas? Kasi parang feeling ko dito, Virgo, parang si person pa ang nagmatigas. I am seeing that probably you're also telling your person, no, na I will give you your freedom. If you just need me, I'm just here, no? So, tingin pa tayo ng ibang cards. By the way, kung gusto niyo po sumali sa ating promotion na reading, no? Free reading, no? Free personal reading, manood kayo hanggang sa dulo, no? Knight of Wands, the Eight of Pentacles, the King of Pentacles, Page of Swords, and the Knight of Swords. Ayan. I think that you, for a few numbers of you na walang work, no? Humanap na ng work kasi, lalo na doon sa mga merong family, no? Nakabuild na ng family. Kasi parang feeling mo, these money is not, or the money that the person is sharing, no, is not sustainable anymore. So, kailangan ko na ding maghanap, no, ng pera. And I believe what I'm seeing in here is, yung iba naman sa inyo, mas ikaw pa yung kumikita ng malaki, tapos nangkukupitan pa tayo. No? I can see here na meron tayong ginawang isang malaking desisyon. And I believe that this is the separation that I mentioned, no? I think that for a few numbers of you, you have plans of probably lumayo, no? So this is the distance na sinasabi ko kanina. Or lumayo na kayo. Kasi parang nakikita nyo na lumulubog na si person, no? You don't wanna be in a boat, no? At the end of the day, this is life. Life is a survival mode, no? You have did your part to save your person, pero Are we going to stay, no, na nakasakay sa isang bangka? Alam mong palubog na. Tapos, um, sinasagip mo yung person mo, pero yung person mo gusto magpakalunod, no? Um, are you going to join the person na, sige, dahil gusto mo magpapakalunod na rin ako? It doesn't happen. Or, if there is, it rarely happen. No, sa pelikulang nga, sa Titanic, di ba? Siguro kapapanood nyo lang din, or what have you, no? Sa pelikula nga, di ba? Sinagip niya yung isa, si Jack, di ba? Mas pinili niya pakalubog. Mahal natin yung isa't isa. That's a great example of this, no? So, you saved me. Yun nga lang, the Jack saved Rose, di ba? Pero, I decided to leave, no? Pinili kong mabuhay. And I decided to let you go, no? Parang ganun. Ganun yung nagiging scenario nito. Kasi, mahal ko pa yung buhay. Madami pa akong gustong gawin, no? But I believe with the King of Pentacles, the Page of Swords, the Ace of Cups, and the Page of Cups. So, what I am seeing in here, ayoko lang yung nakikita kong may pagka-user side, no? Kasi, I think that the person here, I'll be really honest with the reading, no? So, susumpain ako ng either cross-watchers or ng Virgo, ng nanonood dito na hindi Virgo, no? May pagka-user kasi na nag-stay ako sa isang connection dahil may kailangan pa ako. Well, everyone here needs, no? Needs everyone, di ba? Ako, gumagawa ako ng reading to gain followers, to gain subscribers, and for you to watch. I need you. You need me for the reading. So, it's reciprocative, no? So, I give out energy. You also exerted energy, no? Nag-charge kayo ng phone, and I thank you for that, no? Giving your time to watch my video, no? I appreciate it. So sa atin, sa relationship natin, merong reciprocation, no? I'm giving information. I'm getting something from you as well, no? So ang relationship niyo na kasi, ikaw lang yung nagbibigay. Wala ka nang kukuha. In fact, wala nang ambag na nahahatak ka pa, no? Sa paglubog. I believe that you are in a good decision, pero I think that your person is not going to leave you so far because of the vices in here. I think that your person needs you more than, anything else right now. I think that your person cannot survive. It's okay to love the person from afar, no? I-guide lang natin sila, pero siguro magkaroon na tayo ng boundaries or limitations, no? When it comes to hanggang dito lang ako, no? Apart from that, I'm not going to associate myself anymore. I've learned my lesson well, no? So, tingnan natin dito, Virgo, ang zodiac sign. Ang message muna, no, ni person para sa iyo, or this is, what's the point of it all? I think that this is you, no? What's the point of doon sa mga gising, no, na Virgo? What's the point of me? Ang hirap kasing tulungan ng isang taong ayaw magpatulong, 'di ba? Mahirap gisingin ng isang taong nagtutulog-tulugan, 'di ba? Mahirap hanapin ang isang taong talagang nagtatago, 'di ba? Kung nawawala, siguro may chance pa tayong hanapin, 'di ba? Or makita. Pero kung talagang nagtatago, girl, nakamasid din yan sa'yo, no? Alam niya kung saan ka papunta at never mo yan makikita. Kaya nandun ka sa, what's the point of me saving you? You have to be patient. Sabi naman daw ni person, no? No, Yeah, I think that there is some reality on that you have to be patient. Pero, you like what I mentioned here, you've done your part, no? Nagawa mo na yung dapat mong gawin, naibigay mo na yung dapat mo na wisdom na kaya mong ibigay. The boat is sinking and you have to save yourself. No need to be patient, no? And I feel like, again, you are on the right direction. Um, if you're doing this, huh? So let's check here the zodiac sign of your person. Now, this could be their sun sign or a placement in their chart. So I'm seeing Pisces, Leo, um, Taurus, Sagittarius, Virgo, Capricorn. I am seeing, hold up, yung mga nakatago eh. No? Yeah, Sagittarius, Cancer, no, Leo, ayan na nga. Paulit-ulit siya doon. Hold up. Yeah, Scorpio. Yan. So this is your reading, Virgo. Again, for those of you who's new to the channel, don't forget to click the subscribe button, smash the like button, comment below, no? Kung kayo'y nakaka-resonate, hit the notification bell. Kung gusto niyo po ng dalawang reading sa akin, subscribe po kayo dun sa ating kabilang channel, that is Babaylan TV. Yun din po ang ating live session channel, no? You might wanna join. Pwede naman po kayo magtanong kung hindi nyo naaabutan dito sa comment section as long as the question is answerable by yes or no. Pero kung feeling nyo po hindi kayo masasatisfy sa yes or no na sagot, sa description box po there's a link. All you have to do is to either click the link or copy the link. You'll be routed to my website. No, nandun po yung information, how much per question, the mode of payment, no, the number, the name to compare it to, no? And also, yung nag-create din po ako ng promotions of 4 questions plus 1. You may wanna take advantage of it. And nandun din po ang ating information if you want to avail a private reading, no? So, paano nga ba, no, makasali dito sa ating free na reading? Actually, no, kaya tayo late ng pag-post ng video at makikita nyo naman sa boses ko, apart na parang feeling ko magkakasakit ako dahil dun sa fake account. I'm umaalis ako ng bahay, may mga kinakausap akong tao, no, to take actions on it as well. Imbis na lang, sana nakafocus na lang tayo, no, sa reading sa time. So, nandiyan pa din siya. It requires a massive report or a mass report. I couldn't do it without you guys. So, effort din naman yun sa inyo, no? Tulong nyo rin yun sa akin na i-report, no? Bilang ganti, kapag napuksa na natin siya, no, magkakaroon ako ng free reading. How to join? So, report the said account. Nandun po din yan sa description box. Nakalagay man doon, report this fake account, no? Report nyo yon. Take a screenshot. Nandun po yung isang email. Meron akong email na ginawa designated para doon sa pag-report ninyo, no? And sa pag-report po ninyo, nandun yung it doesn't matter kung how many. One screenshot, that's actually a one entry, no? So, iba-ibahin nyo lang yung time, no? Para at least makita natin meron tayong ginawa for a specific time, no? Report the account how many times you like, no? Kasi it requires massive reporting. Again, pag napuksa yon, bilang ganti din naman, no? As my thank you. So, bubunot tayo ng winner. So, yun po, no? If you want to join, when I said free, it's free, no? So, yun po. Again, Virgo, this is your reading. Love and light to you. Namaste. See you po sa susunod na reading. Goodbye.